guys, so it's been a while since I've posted on this channel. I've been mostly posting on my main channel and kind of inadvertently neglecting this one. So, unfortunately there's only so many hours in a day and I can only post so many videos. But I've seen this channel's grown a lot in the last, year or two. So it's time to give it some love again, and I'm gonna start posting on this channel again. So I have some travel vlogs from an Asia trip last year that I'm gonna post on this channel. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how I smoked some beef ribs. Now this footage I shot last year and with the full intention of posting it last year, but I just never got around to it. So let's just get right into it, guys, and appreciate you guys hanging on and still watching stuff on this channel. This is a pack of Cryovac beef short ribs. As you can see, they aren't a full-length beef rib, hence short. I got these ribs from my butcher, and he mostly sells these cut flanken style, meaning they're cut across the ribs, very popular for Korean barbecue. When left as a whole section, this is called a plate or English style. I'm just gonna leave them like this and smoke them. I start off coating the ribs with some canola oil. This is just so the rub will stick. This here is equal parts salt and ground black pepper. Here I'm giving a generous sprinkling of salt and roughly ground black pepper. That's it. The smoke is what's gonna do the flavoring. I like keeping my barbecue uncomplicated. Since this is beef, it's gonna get that beautiful beefy bark, like a well-smoked brisket. I'm going to use half lump charcoal and half charcoal briquettes to get the fire started anyway. Then I'll just burn wood. Here I start a batch of charcoal in a charcoal chimney. The charcoal will serve as the base fire, and then I burn only wood for the remainder of the cook. A water pan is placed between the fire and the meat as a buffer, but it's mostly there to help moderate temperature since it's a big thermal mass, but it also adds humidity to the cook. With the meat loaded into the smoker, it's time to tend fire. Now I'm going to switch to burning wood, and I'm going to feed it maple. Nice hardwood, nice maple, give it a nice smoky kind of sweet taste to it. Should be great. Keep feeding the fire every half hour or so. Let this go for 4 to 5 hours. I maintained a temperature between 250 to 275. That's the sweet spot for good barbecue in my opinion. Burning wood takes a lot of tending, but I enjoy stoking the fire and watching the cook. But feel free to use any smoker, including the electric ones. They all make great barbecue if you know how to use them right. Make sure the exhaust smoke is a nice white wispy smoke, barely visible. You don't want dark thick smoke. That means the fire is starved of air and will make the barbecue taste funny or off. Because my smoker is small, I have to add wood every 20 to 30 minutes or so. If I add too much, the temperature gets too hot, and if I don't add enough, the fire burns out. Using an IP cam to keep an eye on the temperature remotely. So for the next 5 hours, I just sit back, relax, and tend fire. I really enjoy this. There's nothing like cooking with real fire. 2 hours in and they're looking awesome. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is just take it in, wrap it in butcher's paper, and do a Texas crutch. It's cooking real nice, but it's taking on as much smoke as it's going to take on. But that's looking, that'll get even darker. That's looking real good though. I wrap the ribs using butcher's paper, but I've used aluminum foil in the past. But I find the meat steams too much and you don't get really good bark formation, but it does make it cook a lot faster. The butcher's paper lets the meat breathe and you get really nice bark as some of the moisture can escape. You could also leave it unwrapped, but I find that dries out the less fattier parts of the meat. I cook for another 5 to 6 hours. You can tell when the ribs are done when the internal temperature of the meat reaches 195 to 200 Fahrenheit, or the meat pulls away from the bone slightly. Look at that beautiful bark. The ribs look burnt, but trust me, that deep black bark is nothing but intense barbecue flavor. These ribs taste amazing, just like smoked beef brisket. There is no substitute. Look at that beautiful smoke ring. These were a smash hit with my friends. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next one. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you know when I post another one.